This is Chris from Munch. Welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine 6 tasty meatballs in marinara sauce, topped with melted mozzarella. While you're watching, make sure your meatballs aren't getting sauce all over your fingers, so that you can subscribe and switch on notifications. Last time I supped on some juicy meatballs, a cup wasn't involved. For $3.95 I would have expected some spaghetti. Subway, you complete me. If you included spaghetti. Put some ground meat into a mixing bowl. I'm using beef and pork mince. Finely chop 1 onion, a few sprigs of parsley and some basil. Add to the bowl and give it a good mix. 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of milk added to the bowl. Roll your balls slightly larger than a golf ball. Veggie oil in a pan and brown. Drain the oil from the pan. Then add the balls back. Boil passato, water, basil, parsley, oregano, salt, white pepper, ground chili flakes. Add your mozzarella, 6 juicy cheesy balls in a bowl. Spicy, nicey and well worth the effort. Not bad for a tad under $2. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Rob, 1 out.